Hi everyone, today we're diving into how to supercharge your investments with a DRIP. A Dividend Reinvestment Plan, or DRIP, turns your cash dividends into more shares automatically with zero commission. It's like your investments are growing on autopilot. You can set up a DRIP for almost any stock or fund. When dividends come in, Questrade works its magic buying you as many shares as possible. Say you get $110 in dividends from ABC stock. If ABC is $25 a share, that's 4 extra shares for you with some change left over. The beauty of a DRIP is set it and forget it. Your cash doesn't sit idle and it's always working and growing your portfolio. Setting it up is easy. Download the DRIP form, fill it out, and upload it to your account. Choose individual stocks or go all in with all eligible securities. Set up a DRIP today. It's free, it's easy, and it's a smart move for your financial future. Dive in now and watch your investments grow even more over time. Ready to drip your way to financial independence? Visit Questrade and get started today.